How to delete your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe it's time that you decided that you no longer want to go ahead and then actually keep your WhatsApp account. You don't want to use it, not only delete the app, but you want to delete the account itself. And in order to do that, you just have to go ahead and then open the WhatsApp application. Once you launch the WhatsApp app, tap on the three dots from the top right hand side of the screen and go to settings. And once you come to the settings tab, tap on the account option from the very top, and here you'll find the trash icon that says delete my account. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on delete my account, here you can see some of the disclaimer that says deleting your account will delete your account from WhatsApp. It will erase your message history, delete you from all of your WhatsApp groups, and delete your Google Drive backup as well. So even your Google Drive backup is not going to be restored. So what you want to do is you have to simply enter the phone number to confirm it and just tap on the delete my account. If you want, you can also change your phone number instead, but of course that is the way to go about it, and confirm the changes after you verify the code as well. And that's all it takes to delete your WhatsApp account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.